this is a comparison for these two charger stations. This is the first one I'm going to go over. This is a on-the-go charger block. So say you're going to a theme park for like the whole day and you don't think your phone's going to last all day because, you know, it probably won't. You can charge this up prior to the day and then use this to charge your phone throughout the day so that you don't have a dead phone while you're, you know, walking around somewhere all day. This is a 3-in-1 charger station, and this has a micro USB, a USB-C, and an iPhone charger. And then you can also do some data transfer and whatnot to your laptop or whatnot. And then it has these retractable cables in here. So these will go in and out to retract back in, which is nice because it keeps it all organized in there.